The situation is out of control here. And we are just stuck here.
So VEO 3 is now much more cheaper and faster than the previous model because Google have just released the VEO 3 fast mode, and in this video we're gonna test this model, how good this actually is and what are the limitations of this new model. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Now to access this you need to go to the Flow AI, and then in the model section you can see we have a new model called VEO 3 Fast Text to Video, and this model can also generate the audio, which is a great thing. And if I select this model, you can see this will only cost 20 credits per generation, which is much more cheaper than the quality mode. So if I click on the quality mode, you can see this costs around 100 credits. There are a lot of credits, but in comparison to the VEO 3, the VEO 3 fast mode only costs 20 credits. And if you want to get the free credits, I have already covered a detailed video on that, so you can check out that video. Now let's test any prompt. For example, an adventurous woman holding a map in her hand and looking around in a jungle while walking sound and jungle sound. And let's see what that gives us. And just a quick tip, if you want to save your credits, just switch to the single output. Okay, so here is the output video. And the output is very impressive. Yes, somehow the AI was confused between the real footage and the video game because this is some kind of a video game scene. But other than that, if we talk about the motions, if we talk about the sound effects, each and every single thing is on point. Yes, the quality is little bit compromised. This is little bit on a stylization side. So let's use the same prompt, and this time we're gonna add the cinematic movie just to give it a realistic touch, and let's see what that gives us. And now we have the realistic look to this video. Yes, there is slight morphing around the face, and you can also see some kind of glitches in the video. This is not perfect. I'm not saying this is perfect, but this is much better than the VEO 2. And if we just ignore some of the glitches, the video is not bad. Now, how does it perform in the talking heads? Let's test this out. An interviewer on a street asking a question to a woman, "What is your strength?" She answers that, "I can fall asleep anywhere, even in this interview." And here is the output.
What is your strength?
I can fall asleep anywhere, even in this interview.
And this is great. Yes, we have some kind of stylization to the face, and this is the problem with the VEO 3 fast mode because it stylizes the faces in every single video, and obviously we cannot expect the much more realism from this model because this is a fast model. This is the downgraded version of the VEO 3 model, but still the results are very impressive. Now let's talk about some of the limitations from this model. So if I just go ahead to the image to video model and select any image, and now if I give it any prompt and hit generate, you will see this error because this model doesn't support image to video feature right now. Maybe in future, but right now this is the only limitation from this fast model because it doesn't support the image to video. And if you just click on the model section, you can see it also mentions that this is only for text to video. And talking about the text to video generation, I was very impressed by the outputs. Yes, the quality is little bit on the stylization side, but at the cost of 20 credits per generation, I think this is really good. And here are some more examples from this model.
So you're telling me he disrespected you over pineapple on pizza?
He said it was refreshing. R-E-freshing, Tony.
This drive has everything.
The missile codes?
No. My wife's grocery list.
If I forget cilantro again, she'll launch the missiles.
I can't believe you have not subscribed to the Planet AI yet.
I am so sorry.
We don't need you to talk, but just give us the Wi-Fi password.
I'd rather die.
This is amazing!
You got the job done?
Yeah, I mean, mostly.
What do you mean, mostly?
I may have shot the wrong guy, but hear me out. He looked very suspicious.